Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Care.com app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Care.com is a leading care services platform designed to connect families with trusted caregivers for a variety of needs, including childcare, senior care, pet care, housekeeping, and tutoring. The app allows users to search caregiver profiles, read verified reviews, view background checks, and communicate securely within the platform. Families can post jobs, schedule interviews, and make payments directly through the app, offering a convenient all-in-one hiring process. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Care.com's wide caregiver network, detailed profiles, and easy scheduling features. The background check system and review transparency help build trust, while the ability to hire for different care categories in one place saves time and effort. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that subscription fees can be high, certain areas may have limited caregiver availability, and families should still conduct personal interviews and checks to ensure the right fit. Occasional issues with response times from caregivers have also been reported. In summary, the Care.com app may be worth using if you're looking for a single, trusted platform to find various types of caregivers with added safety features and convenient tools. However, if you prefer completely free options, live in an area with few active caregivers, or want to avoid subscription fees, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.